Nandito kami ngayon sa Davao City kasama ang Meta Earth para tumulong sa barangay na naka-experience ng malalakas na lindol recently. So pumunta kami dito sa Davao City at dumiretso kami sa Barangay Hall, which is yung center ng mga local effort. Meta Earth were able to coordinate logistics and in-ensure nila to address the critical needs of the most affected families in this barangay. So bakit ko nga ba sinusuportahan itong Meta Earth? Kaya ako sumama dito sa Meta Earth kasi alam kong nagbibigay sila ng framework for sustainable recovery. Meron silang immerse and social activity platform. So ginagamit nila yung platform nila para mag-organize, mag-secure ng funding at magplano ng mga rebuilding projects. So basically itong Meta Earth nagkaroon sila ng decentralized approach, ensures transparency and equal opportunity for every Davaoeños affected to participate and rebuild. Hindi lang sila naghihintay ng aid, they are empowered pa to rebuild your own future. Kung gusto mong sumali sa mga community na tumutulong mag-rebuild at mag-empower, Meta Earth na yan. Sumali ka na sa community nila, nasa bio ko lang yung link. From there, you can discover how you can support the immersed social activities and help communities like Davao rise stronger from the earthquake. Sama-sama tayong babangon.